I got a little package in the mail today. What could it be? Now, if you're following me on Instagram, you'll no doubt have seen that I crashed my gravel bike doing a last ride with my buddy Kevin. And my front tire slid out from underneath me and I went down hard. In fact, my neck is still a little mangled. So I promptly came home and ordered tires. I've been looking at a new set of tires since I got the gravel bike in March, but I just haven't really decided on what. And I just kept putting it off until last week when I took a header. So let's cut this open and see what it is. These are Vittoria Terreno dry. Yes, they're meant for dry, but they will also work very well in the mud and wet based on the reviews that I have read. I'll tell you what the deal is. Let's go downstairs where I'm going to install these. As you can see, I have my gravel bike on my little stand, and the wheels have been taken off in anticipation for the new rubber. So what came with my bike were these Hutchinson, that's overrides. Now they're not bad. They here's why I like them. Let's start with that. Not sure if you can tell, but see that nice smooth center? That's awesome for road riding because I'm probably 50-50. I'm on the road and gravel. 50-50 split. So when I'm on the gravel, these little bits on the side, the shoulder of the tire, they help with the traction. And when I'm on the tarmac, the center section that is smooth, well, yes, duh, it helps out a lot. But when you're in mud, these little knobbies here, they're for shit, man. They don't do anything. Hence why I went down. So Vittoria is the brand, Graphene 2. And these are, what, 700 by 33. Linda and I ran Vittorias for years on our road bikes for triathlon and road riding, and we never had a problem with them. So I had no problem going with the brand. And as you can see, the corner tread is way more aggressive on these than the Hutchinsons. So that's going to help. Although it's not perfectly smooth in the center channel for road, I'm told on reviews that it's definitely smooth enough. So we're going to cut these open and do an install. I can't wait. Oh, and these are, you see these pink things here? Yeah, they're in here. These are latex tubes. They're super light. They happen to be Vittoria as well. I ran these all summer and they were fantastic. They're not cheap. It's about $20 for a tube, but they provide a very supple, smooth ride. And again, they're light. And I have to be very careful with when installing these because they will puncture very easily. All right, let's get this going and wish me luck.